Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to do this viral trend right here. It's a Portuguese one, so it means month of women's, and you have to post one photo of a wonderful girl. So this is what is about this Instagram sticker. So let's go ahead and show you how to do it. First of all, we have to go on our Instagram app, of course, make sure that you are logged in. And then you have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen. And from here you have to search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And then from my Instagram account, you have to go to new 2022 March at highlights. So there we have it. Now you have to tap until you find the desired sticker. And you can also check my other viral trends if you like this one for example. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, once I will do the story, I will show you from where you can get a tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first, let me show you how you can do the story, and afterwards I will give you that tutorial. So now you can go to your uploads and choose a photo with you if you like, or with your sister, with your friends, or with a celebrity. It's really your choice. So I will go ahead and do that. I will go with this photo. You can now place your sticker where you want. And you can also go to stickers from the top of the screen, go to music and choose one song. And once you are happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. So guys, now if you are not able to click on the others button, what can you do? You have to go once again on my Instagram account on Ali John YTT. And then from this page, you have to go to super viral at highlights. And here you'll find this first story. Not able to click on others button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here, and it will get you to my YouTube account, to my YouTube channel, to a video that has only 3 or 2 minutes. I think it's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.